unboxing of Milwaukee's new M18 Fuel Compact Bandsaw Kit, number 2829-22. Let me get to opening this thing because, I'm just doing this like crazy, random. I wasn't even gonna do a video, I've been off the YouTube for a grip right now. A lot of stuff's been happening. And a lot more stuff now with the coronavirus. As an electrician, you definitely need a bandsaw. And me, I like to have my own tools, so I got one. Finally pulled the trigger on one. And I got this one. I was waiting for this one actually, because I wanted to get the M12, but I don't like the M12 at all. I think it's very weak, So I held out and put it on. Obviously, this comes with a big Milwaukee bag, the big old fuel bag. This thing is huge. I want to say this is probably like 24 inches. It's got to be like a 24-inch bag. Pockets, your regular Milwaukee fuel bags. This is a nice bag. That's crazy. This is crazy. This is nuts. I was just supposed to get the tool only, and they sent me the whole kit, man. You get a 5-year warranty with the tools and a 2-year with the batteries. And this thing is, I seen the reviews on it, from the guys over there at Workshop Addict, Tool Review Zone, Sparky Channel. They did all the review on this, and I was like, especially Sparky Channel, I was like, yep, I'm definitely getting it, because Sparky had nothing but good things to say about this thing. I was like, yeah. So, if you get the kit, I'm going to show you what you get in it. You get a bunch of cardboard here. Feel me? So, I got to take it out little by little. But, you'll get a blade. You get a blade with it. Now, for the people that don't know, this blade is for thick metal. This is for thick metal. This is for extreme metal cutting. Okay? I went out and I bought thin metal. This is 12 to 14 TPI. Roughly, I'm cutting EMT. So usually EMT you want 18, but Home Depot didn't have 18, so this is gonna have to do for now till I get my 18s in. But this is definitely for thick things, thick metal. So I wouldn't use that as a general purpose blade. Just shooting that out there. You might want to get a box of your own blades. Comes with the literature. Comes with a rapid charger too, which is great. Comes with 2 3.0s. I already have 2 of these. Now look, I got 2 more. I was just talking about getting more batteries too. This is so ironic. It's crazy. Look at that. 3.0 brand new. This is crazy. Look at that, man. Yep, they work. Please, they're charging. It's a rapid charger. Look at that thing, dude. I love this charger. We're gonna charge these batteries right now. Yeah, boy. Look at all that room you got in there. Look at that. It's 2 feet right there. The safety clip here, because they got a dual one where they have a switch here as well. You gotta hit them both, I guess. This has a safety switch here. That's all. And then you're hitting that. And that's it. Your typical bandsaw, man. It's just a fuel now. It's brushless, and it's a little wider than the other one. Let's throw this battery on. Hit the safety. Oh, plenty of power, dude. I'm telling you. Yes, I'm happy. Slide that down. Oh, look how far it goes. Look at that, dude. Rafter hook. Perfect. Fuel. And I can get a reamer attachment for it, which I am gonna get. And you can get covers for these to protect these. They sell like, I don't know if they're plastic or rubber, but they go over these. And a reamer for your EMT. So what's that? Wait. That's it. See? The brush is there. Keeps the wheel clean. That's what's up. What's it dope? It's not too heavy either. I mean, obviously, if you go bigger with the battery, it's gonna get heavier down here, but it's just got some weight to it. It's still light though. You know, this is great. I'll let you guys know how it is. LED light. You know, I'll definitely give you guys an update on it. Alright, shrimps. Peace.